Welcome. Today's Agni Flow is centered in opening the hamstrings, hips, and the lower back. There are no sun salutations or vinyasas in this, so if you are new to yoga and are trying to find a nice, easy way to build some heat and warm yourself, this is the flow for you. When you are ready, we'll begin standing at the very top of your mat. Root into the feet, pressing each of the corners of the foot into the earth. Lift and spread through the toes and feel energy run up through your legs. Sweep the arms overhead, interlace the fingers, and press them into the back of your head. Use the hands to help press into the head as well to give yourself some resistance. And take a breath here. Exhale and fold inward, tucking belly in, maybe adding a bit of softness into the knees as you fold. Inhale to rise, lift the chest, let the belly drop out, heart open, ribs expand. Exhale, round it all in. And let your breath move you between these two postures, using your inhale to lift you, your exhale to guide you back towards the earth. Release the fingers from your head. Interlace the fingers back onto the elbows. Relax your head, your neck, your shoulders, soften the knees, and gently ragdoll from side to side. As you inhale, lift the chest halfway up, press hands to shins. Exhale, plant the hands, and step the left foot to the back of the mat. Drop the left knee down once you've found your comfortable foundation for your lunge. Press your hands into the top of the right thigh and knee, and focus on aiming the energy of the hips downward. Wrap the inner thighs together, curl the left toes under, and lift the left leg off the mat, rising into high crescent lunge. As you exhale, frame the front foot and step the left foot forward to meet the right. Inhale, lift halfway. Exhale, fold over the legs and step the right leg to the back of the mat. Find your length and drop the right knee down. Uncurl toes and take a moment to send the hips and all the energy here down into the earth. Focus on big, deep breaths in through the nose and out through the nose. Curl the toes underneath, interlace the thighs, feel them wrap together. Rise to stand. Inhale, sweep arms overhead. Exhale, close to frame. Step the right leg forward to meet the left. Release the breath out. Inhale, halfway lift. Exhale, fold. Inhale, step the left foot to the back of the mat. Drop the knee, uncurl the toes. Inhale, rise to stand, Anjaneyasana. Exhale, close to frame the front foot. Curl the toes, lift the left leg, and step it forward to meet the right. Inhale, halfway lift. Exhale, fold, step the right leg to the back. Drop the knee. Inhale, rise, stacking torso over hips. Exhale, close to frame the front foot, curl the toes, and step right leg forward to meet left. Inhale, halfway lift. Exhale, fold. Inhale, step the left leg back. Drop the knee, curl the toe. Begin to heel toe your right foot off to the edge of the mat, slightly angling your toes outward. Plant the hands to the inside of the right foot, or maybe onto blocks if you'd like. Guide right hand to knee. Lift the left hip up, and as you exhale, slightly tuck it underneath. Maybe lower here onto forearms, or maybe to place a block underneath your forearm. Reach out behind you with the right fingertips. And then overhead, gently windshield wipering your arm behind and in front of you. Focus here too on really wrapping that right thigh in and keeping the knee stacked over the ankle. You don't want to let the knee fall into the center. As you take your next breath, heel toe the foot back into the middle of the mat. Step the left foot forward to meet the right. Inhale, halfway lift. Exhale, fold. Step the right leg to the back of the mat and drop the knee down. Again, heel to the foot off to the side of the mat, creating space for your hip to open here. And space for the hands to plant as well. Blocks are always useful and welcomed here. Lower onto the forearms as you feel ready to. And slightly angle left toes out. Keep left knee stacked over top of ankle. And provide some assistance if you need to with the left hand to help encourage that alignment of knee over ankle. It may take a little extra adjustment, especially from side to side. They might feel completely different. And whatever it is that shows up for you on the side, let it be. A few breaths here, sweeping arm overhead and behind you. Gently letting tension release with each breath that you take. Begin to press your way back up, heel to the foot into the middle of the mat. Frame your front foot and step the right leg forward to meet the left. Inhale, halfway lift. Feel the heart pull forward. Exhale and bow over the legs. And begin to heel toe your feet slightly apart. Toes to angle out, heels to angle in. And drop your hips down towards the earth. This is a great place to place a block underneath your sacrum and your tailbone. Helps to give the spine an encouragement to stay straightened. Press your biceps into the inner edges of the knees, using that to help keep those legs open. And plant into the hands. Slowly lift the hips and straighten out the legs. Heel to the feet back into the center. Inhale again and halfway lift. Find that length throughout the body. Exhale and fold. Step the left leg to the back of the mat. Find your long lunge. Stay here for a breath. Begin to shift your weight forward into the right leg. And shoot the left leg up, reaching the toes into the air for standing leg split. And bow inward, maybe guiding your hands a little closer to your foot. Touch the left toes down if you need to, and inhale, lift them once more. And stay for as many breaths as you care to. When you're ready to come out, mindfully touch left toes to the back of the mat again. And step them to meet the right leg on the top of the mat. Guide the right toes to the back of the mat. Find your lunge. And find a bit of buoyancy in the back leg, strength through the standing left leg as you find your way into standing split again. And touch right toes down. And come back into your standing leg split if you feel like it again. Deep inhale and exhale. Step right foot forward to meet the left. Inhale, lift up halfway. Exhale, bow over your legs. Inhale, rise to stand. Float the hands to the heart. And this will conclude today's Agni Flow. If you would like to continue your practice, you are welcome to move on to any of my power flows, and also to round it off with a slow flow and savasana if you're seeking a fuller practice. If you enjoyed this video, please give my channel a subscribe and this video a like, and also leave any comments about what you enjoyed or maybe something you'd like to see in the future. As always, be well and namaste.